Rajiv, coffee for you.
Hmm.
Aunt?
Yes. Thank you.
Sri,
Hmm?
what are Siddharth and Mithai doing in their room for so long? Mom, darling, did we cross all the limits today?
No. Forget it, Rajiv. You know Shom very well, isn't it? You know that he can't accept Siddharth and Mithai's marriage. That's the only reason why he always tries to instigate Siddharth. But I'm thinking of something else. Shom and Samresh are always at loggerheads. There is a difference of opinion between them. But how come their opinion matched in this matter?
Do you know what, Aunt? Som loves Sid a lot. So, Som expected Sid to marry an educated and well qualified girl. But he can't understand that Mithai is best for Siddharth. Sid has mood swings, he has a temper, and he's rude and straightforward. Can anyone other than Mithai tolerate it?
You're right. If a girl like Torsha was Sid's wife, then how would it be? Would she stay with all of us happily like Mithai? No, Shri. I think we should talk to Som on this topic.
Oh my. Brother Rajiv,
Hmm?
I can't tolerate this anymore.
Why can't you?
Is Nipa taking the responsibility to convince Brother Som?
What did you say? What did you say? Wait, I'll teach you a lesson.
Hey,
Hey, come on, stop.
Careful,
Stop,
Deepa, careful.
Come here.
Stop them. Hey,
Stop it.
stop
it.
What are you
Hey.
doing?
I'll tell you.
Oh my.
What did you say? Tell me. Hey, tell me what did you say? Come again. Hey, Shri. Did you see that Brother Ratul has become casual with Nipa now? I knew this would happen. We just need to give them some time for these things. Gradually, everything will settle down, Shri.
Keep quiet.
You just tell me what did you say?
Hey,
Stop.
Hey, stand here
Don't
quietly.
run.
Keep quiet. Aren't you older than her? I'll box your ears. It seems we are on a battlefield and these two. Hi, everyone.
Hey, Trash, Tess. How are you? What a surprise. You're here after such a long time. I never expected that you.
Have you come to meet Brother Sid? He's in his room. Mithai and Sid are in the room together. Shall I call him?
No. Actually, I have some work with him. I'll go upstairs. No. Do you know what, Torsha? A recently married couple are spending time together in their room. Is it right for a third person to go there? It will be better to call Siddharth over here. Shri, go and check if Siddharth is free.
Aunt? Why are you stopping Torsha? She's Siddharth's friend. They are very old friends. There was a time when we got Siddharth's news from Torsha. Being Mithai's husband is a challenge Siddharth has accepted. They are not actually husband and wife. Torsha, go upstairs.
Thank you, Shom. Shom, I don't understand what you are up to. This is really very disgusting. Why are you doing this? All of us are trying to bring Siddharth and Mithai closer, but why are you trying to intervene? Tell me.
I already stated the reason, Aunt. Siddharth and Mithai don't have any relation. What relation do they share? Has Siddharth accepted the marriage? No, he hasn't. Only you people think. A game is going on. All of you think that the game is real. Relation. Is Sri also feeling guilty? I'm also feeling we are also playing a game which nobody is aware of.
What is going on, Sid?
Oh no! Oh, oh no! What?
Take this.
Hey, this is wet. What are you doing? My laptop has got wet. What are you staring at? Give me something so that I can wipe.
Yes, I'll give you. Will you wipe it dry with this one?
This is your bath towel, Mithai. Why are you giving this to me?
I can see an excellent married life, Sid. Mithai has kept you very happy. She's drying your hair. Oh, sorry. She's helping you dry your hair. I'm sure she's also giving you a body massage. You must be feeling like a landlord, right? But Siddharth Modak has got lost amidst all these things. Very sad. Did you notice that?
Tess, don't you have any common sense? You saw that I dropped the water by mistake. This laptop has a lot of important data, Tess. All the data of the MNC is saved in this one. I can't switch it on.
I don't think it will switch on. PCG has lost their best project forever that was given to their star employee. Mithai is responsible for it. A project worth 2,250 million. 2,250 million? Okay, Mithai. Was it so necessary to wash his hair inside this room? No, as far as I knew, Sid always kept his room well organized. In fact, he never misplaces anything in his bedroom. And look at it now. Wow. It looks like a railway platform. Sid, I'm just thrilled to see this change in your life. Just thrilled. Congratulations. By the way, I don't think it will be right to address you as Sid now. How about Mr. Modak? Hmm? Mr. Modak and Mithai. The couple of the year. What do you say?
What have I done, Tess? You saw that I dropped the water on the laptop by mistake. Did you see it? Huh? And you are taunting me. You saw that I messed up everything. Tess, don't you consider yourself my friend? Huh? Best friend. And look at the way you're taunting me. Well, I just don't expect any sympathy from you, Tess. You've already proved that your friendship is fake. Anyway, say what you want to say and just leave. I want to stay alone, please.
Fine. Sir has said that the top boss of the multinational company has given an appointment of 10 a.m. tomorrow. So if you can make the presentation and submit it and back the order, then you're a star. But if you fail, everybody will think that Sid is not as capable as he portrays himself to be. Do you know what, Sid? People remember what's happening in the present. And right now, you're Mathai's husband. Huh? So I don't think you'll be able to make the presentation and submit it by tomorrow 10 a.m. See, sir told me to go there tomorrow, but I don't think you will be needing me anymore. So please talk to sir, okay? Bye.
Hold on, Tess. Siddharth Modak will make a presentation on behalf of PCG at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And we'll also crack the project worth 250 million. It's a challenge, right? I accept it.
Really, Sid? Siddharth Modak never loses any challenge. It's time to prove this wrong, right? Fine. I'll wait until tomorrow. You have to submit the presentation at the Elgin Road office. In fact, there will also be a video conference. Sid, remember that presentations have already been submitted from places like Netherlands, France, and Singapore. PCG trusts you, Sid. So the Kolkata branch has been given this responsibility. Oh, sorry. By the way, how would they know that? Mr. Modak has completely changed. Mr. Modak is now Mithai's husband.
Siddharth Modak will make a presentation on behalf of PCG at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And we'll also crack the project worth 250 million. It's a challenge, right?
Oh Lord, what will he do now? Everything was saved in the laptop. Oh Lord, Lord, please help Sid. Please.
Ratul, won't you go to bed?
Shri, I'm doing a troublesome work. You please go and sleep.
Troublesome work? What are you doing?
Shri, when I was in Kharagpur, there was a power cut one day. There was no charge on my laptop that time, so I had handwritten a lot of notes. These are my PhD notes. So I have to mail them to a foreign university tomorrow. If they select any of my projects, I'll get a chance to pursue PhD.
Okay.
I just saw their mail. Thankfully, I brought everything with me.
Okay, so what do you have to do now?
What do I have to do? I have to type all this. You can see how lengthy these are.
You're feeling sleepy, right? Listen, I don't think you should type all this now. You'll make mistakes. Leave it.
No, Shri. I must type it. I cannot type all in the morning. If I can finish typing tonight, I can send the mail tomorrow morning. But you're also right. I'm feeling so sleepy that I can't keep my eyes open.
Well, then, sleep for some time. I will call you. I have the habit of staying up till late hours to study. I'll finish one of my assignments within this time and I'll wake you up when I go to bed.
Okay. Please do wake me up. I have to send it tomorrow. I wish to get a good opportunity at the earliest, right? My previous company didn't send any message yet. And how long will we continue this acting?
Don't delay anymore. Go to bed.
Uh, shall I make something for you? Coffee?
No. I have the habit of studying till late. I don't need coffee.
Fine then. Good night.
Good night.
And thank you. Good night.
Good night.
I wish to get an good opportunity at the earliest. How long will we continue this acting?
I don't know how I'll bring Nipa and Ratul together. Ratul wanted to stay with his family, but he couldn't do it because of our marriage. I can't share anything with anyone. It's not possible to discuss this with anybody. He's right. How long can we continue like this?
Actually, these are my PhD notes. So I have to mail it to a foreign university tomorrow. If by any chance they select my projects, then I'll get a chance to pursue my PhD. I woke up so late. She promised to wake me up, but she didn't wake me up. Oh, she fall asleep while studying here. What is she writing? These are my notes.
It's late. Ratul? What are you looking at?
Shri, were you typing my notes all night? Why? Why did you do all this? You were awake all night and I was sleeping. Shri, this is very embarrassing.
No, Ratul, don't get embarrassed. Any friend will do this much for another friend. If I need any help, won't you help me at that time?
Will you ever accept a help from me, Shri? No, I don't think so. Anyway, thank you.
I'll go and freshen up.
Yeah.
Ratul,
Hmm.
Ratul,
Say.
we have to go home today. Go and get ready quickly. We have to go out. Nanda, go to the kitchen and make tea for us.
Okay,
I just can't skip the office today.
okay, I'll do it. Mithai hasn't come down yet. This is strange. I saw that the door of Sid's room was closed.
What's the matter, Ratul? What are you looking at?
My notes. Shri stayed awake all night and typed all my notes.
What?
She forced me to go to sleep and stay awake all night to type my notes. I'm feeling very embarrassed.
Why? Why are you feeling embarrassed? She's your wife. Why should you feel embarrassed if your wife does something for you? And Shri stays awake at night to study. Yes, that's not a problem for her.
Ratul, always remember what the girl is doing for you, because that's enough.